Greetings, Digibody Community. Get ready to embark on a DIY journey of crafting a simple yet effective landing page from scratch. In this video, you will learn basics of DIY web development. Learn how to create a captivating landing page using basic techniques. Step 1. Choose a platform. Choose a user-friendly platform like WordPress, Wix, or HTML for customization. Step 2. Define purpose. Define your landing page's purpose. Clear objectives guide content creation. Step 3. Structure design. Structure the design. Keep it clean, concise, and visually appealing. Step 4. Compelling headline. Craft a compelling headline. A concise and engaging message grabs attention. Step 5. Engaging content. Create engaging content. Keep it informative, concise, and benefit-driven. Step 6. High-quality imagery. Incorporate high-quality imagery. Visuals reinforce your message effectively. Step 7. Clear call to action. Include a clear call to action, CTA. Guide visitors on the desired action. Step 8. Mobile optimization. Ensure mobile optimization. Responsive design guarantees a seamless experience. Crafting a landing page is within your grasp. With the Digibudy's DIY guide, embark on your web development journey today. DIY web development. Building a simple landing page from scratch, where creativity meets technical prowess. Ready to create your own digital masterpiece? Follow these steps and unleash your web development potential. Thank you so much for watching this video. Save this video and share it to your circle. Don't forget to follow the Digibuddy.